I know you would not like to pay this amount of money just to use Microsoft Office in your PC. You can see from here that this is just a yearly subscription that has been segmented into personal, family, and premium version. For personal, you can see the amount of money you have to pay. For family, you can see the amount of money you also have to pay. And this is the amount for the premium version. So if you are to do this every year, you can calculate maybe in the number of years to come the amount of money that you are going to spend using softwares in your PC. I'll be guiding you on how you can use all these things for free, and it is accessible anywhere you are in as much as you are connected to your internet. So I'll be showing you how you can use the web version that allows for collaboration as you use your PC. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing so that you get notified of when I upload new video in this particular channel. The first thing you need to do is to open your browser. I'm going to use my Chrome browser for this purpose. Now, once you've opened your browser, you can go to the address bar and type Microsoft 365 Web. Now, once you've done that, you can see this first one that appeared here. You can just click on it and it will open up to this very interface for you. Now here you are going to sign in if you have an account with Microsoft. And if you don't have an account with Microsoft, you can just do well to click here on this sign up for free, and you just fill your necessary information and you have an account with Microsoft. For me, I already have an account with them. All I just need to do is to click on this sign in, and you will see the interface it will actually bring out for me. So I just need to put my email address here, and the moment I put my email address, I now click on this next. Having clicked on next, is now trying to verify my information with them. So I just put the information that is required of me in order for me to get an OTP that will be sent to that very email I inputted here. It now says, please enter the code that has been sent to this particular email. So I need to open my email to see that particular code that has been sent to me. The moment I receive that code, all I just need to do is to input that particular code here, and I have access to my account. Now I've received the code 5890024. Now let's wait for it to open. I don't just need this, no. Now you can see it is loading up for me. Now once it finished loading, you will see the very interface that it will bring up for us. You can see the particular interface here. Now on the left side, you're going to see a whole lot of apps that you will use. You can see your Microsoft Word, you can see Excel, you can see PowerPoint, you can see Outlook, OneDrive, Team, OneNote, and all the rest. Now, if I wish to use my Microsoft Word, all I just need to do is to click on this, and the interface for me to prepare my document will simply open up for me. Now, you can see here, if I already have maybe an existing document, I can just see all of them from here, and I just click on that particular document and open it. You can see free templates that are already designed here for you. You can see the recent documents I worked on, and these are free templates. Maybe you wish to prepare a resume, you can click on resume and you get resume template and you work with it. You can see invoice, you can also see papers and reports and all the rest. All these things are free templates that are accessible to you. If you wish to create a new document, you can just click on this create blank document, and within a couple of some seconds the interface will open up for you depending on the speed of your internet. You can see all of these things. And if you look at this now and compare it with what you have on the one that is installed in your system, you will agree with me that it is exactly the same thing. Of course, these are the tabs you have on the one in your system. And as you type things here, you can see all of these things that are here. You can see the status bar, all of those things. So you have everything you need in this web version of Microsoft Office. So you can use it if you wish to use your Microsoft Word to prepare your document. If you want to use Excel, you can just simply go back here. Now just click on Excel. You see all the things you need on that particular Excel sheet. It is all comprehensive and has all the necessary things you need. You can also see some free templates of that Excel. You can see other recent documents I've worked on, and if you wish to open a new one or a blank document, you can just simply click on this Create Blank Excel sheet and it will just open up for you. You prepare your sheet and do whatever you wish to do with it. If there's any calculation that you wish to work on, it will simply give you all the necessary things you need in that particular Excel sheet. You can see the interface. And let's say you wish to kind of add some numbers. You can see this. The moment you come here, you can just say sum equal to sum this and all of this and just press your enter. You can see that it gives us exactly all that we need to work with in our Excel sheet. The same thing goes if you wish to use your PowerPoint. You just click on it. PowerPoint will open up for you and you prepare your presentation for any meeting, whatever you wish to use it for. You can see these are templates you can work with, and you can click on this blank presentation to create a new one. So all of these things are things you can actually work with. Say for instance, you finish working with them, you can from this app email it to whoever you wish to email it to. And you can also collaborate with others. If you come over to, for instance, under this file, you will see a whole lot that you will do with this particular thing. You can see you can share it with others. You can share with people. You can copy the link of this presentation. You can embed it in your presentation and also manage access to all of these things. So these are the ways you can use Microsoft Office 365 all for free. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel. That's the way you encourage me to make more videos in this particular channel. Thank you for watching this particular video. Bye bye.